everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Zoophilic Buddy. In this video, I will let you know regarding the cell organelle ribosomes. Uska nature, uska occurrence, uska function. So let's get started with the lecture. Occurrence and nature. Ribosomes are dense, spherical, granular particles which occur freely in the matrix, cytosol, or remain attached to the endoplasmic reticulum RER. Chemically, the major constituents of ribosomes are the ribonucleic acid and proteins. Lipids are virtually absent in ribosomes. Function they play is ribosomes play an important part in the synthesis of protein, as you can see in the diagram. That's it. Thanks for watching this video till end.